Mazda just dropped a hybrid game changer, and Toyota and Honda should be worried. The all-new 2026 CX-5 isn't just another compact SUV. It's a luxury-packed, tech-loaded beast with a jaw-dropping 40+ miles per gallon hybrid, a turbo engine faster than a CR-V, and an interior that shames Audi. But here's the kicker. Mazda slashed the price to undercut Toyota, while packing in tech so advanced it can literally stop you from crashing at an intersection. Stick around, because we're revealing the 7 game-changing features, including one hidden trick that no other SUV in this class offers. Don't hit skip. This might be the smartest SUV of 2026. So, let's dive in. Revolutionary hybrid powertrain. The biggest headline for the 2026 CX-5 is Mazda's all-new in-house hybrid powertrain, a significant departure from its previous reliance on Toyota's technology, as seen in the CX-50. This parallel hybrid system pairs a 2.5-liter Skyactiv Z engine with an electric motor, delivering an estimated 210 horsepower and 40+ miles per gallon combined fuel economy, putting it on par with class leaders like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid. Unlike some competitors that prioritize efficiency over driving engagement, Mazda's hybrid setup is engineered to maintain the brand's signature responsiveness, with instant electric torque for quick acceleration. Early reports suggest the system will intelligently switch between EV-only mode for city driving, hybrid mode for balanced performance, and full gas power for highway cruising. While exact battery specs remain under wraps, industry insiders hint at a plug-in hybrid, or PHEV variant, arriving in 2027, potentially offering 35 to 40 miles of electric-only range. A first for Mazda's mainstream SUVs. If true, this would position the CX-5 as a serious alternative to the Ford Escape PHEV and upcoming Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid. Bold yet elegant Kodo design. Mazda's Kodo design language has always set its vehicles apart, and the 2026 CX-5 refines this aesthetic with a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The front end features a wider, more aggressive grille, flanked by slimmer LED headlights, giving it a premium presence that rivals luxury brands like Audi and Lexus. Functional design tweaks, such as active grille shutters, flush door handles, and underbody panels, help reduce drag, improving both efficiency and high-speed stability. From the side, the CX-5 retains its athletic stance, but gains more pronounced wheel arches to accommodate optional 20-inch alloy wheels. The roofline slopes slightly toward the rear, enhancing aerodynamics without compromising headroom. At the back, L-shaped LED taillights, inspired by the CX-90, and a chrome accent strip create a cohesive, upscale look. Unlike some rivals that lean into rugged styling, which is Subaru Forester, Mazda keeps the CX-5 firmly in the sporty urban SUV category, appealing to buyers who want sophistication over off-road pretensions. Luxurious, driver-centric interior. Step inside the 2026 CX-5, and it's clear Mazda is gunning for premium brands. The cabin features soft-touch materials, genuine leather upholstery, Nappa leather in top trims, and real wood or aluminum trim, far beyond what you'd expect in this price range. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, with a new 12.3-inch infotainment display, up from 10.25 inches, and a fully digital gauge cluster, both firsts for the CX-5. Mazda's obsession with ergonomics shines through in details like the floor-hung accelerator pedal for better foot positioning, and strategically placed armrests that reduce fatigue on long drives. The seats, designed using Mazda's human-centric philosophy, offer excellent lumbar support, while acoustic glass and additional sound-deadening materials keep road noise to a minimum. Compared to the plasticky interiors of some rivals, the CX-5 feels closer to an Audi Q5 or Volvo XC60, just at a fraction of the price. Turbocharged performance option. While the hybrid will likely be the volume seller, Mazda hasn't forgotten its performance roots. The 2.5-liter turbocharged engine returns with 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, paired with a new 8-speed automatic transmission, replacing the outdated 6-speed. This setup should deliver a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of around 6.0 seconds. quicker than the Honda CR-V, which is 7.5 seconds, and Toyota RAV4, which is 8.0 seconds. The real magic, however, lies in Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus, or GVC Plus, which subtly adjusts engine torque and applies light braking during cornering to improve stability. Combined with a retuned suspension and available adaptive dampers, the CX-5 promises a driving experience that's more engaging than any hybrid SUV in its class. Next-gen safety, iActiveSense 3.0. The 2026 CX-5 debuts Mazda's third-generation iActiveSense safety suite, representing the brand's biggest safety leap since introducing autonomous emergency braking. While competitors like Toyota SafetySense and Honda Sensing have become segment standards, Mazda's updated system introduces industry-first innovations that address real-world crash scenarios. The standout feature is the new junction-turning automatic emergency braking, which specifically monitors for cross-traffic when making left turns, a leading cause of urban collisions that most systems ignore. Beyond collision avoidance, the CX-5 introduces Driver Monitoring 2.0, which goes beyond simple fatigue alerts. An infrared camera tracks head position, eyelid movement, and even facial expressions to detect not just drowsiness, but also distraction, automatically pausing infotainment inputs if the driver's attention wanders for more than 3 seconds. For parking safety, the 360-degree camera system now projects augmented reality guidelines that show real-time tire trajectories and proximity alerts over live video. More space without compromising agility. Mazda's engineers faced a tough challenge with the 2026 CX-5, increased practicality, without dulling the driving dynamics that define the brand. Their solution was a 110mm wheelbase stretch, all concentrated behind the B-pillar to maximize rear passenger and cargo space, while maintaining the CX-5's athletic 10.8-meter turning circle. The result? 31 cubic feet of cargo capacity behind the rear seats, a 6.5% increase over the outgoing model, with a lower load floor height thanks to repackaged hybrid battery placement. Clever details like recessed rear wheel wells and fold-flat front passenger seats allow hauling items up to 8 feet long, something usually only possible in larger SUVs. Simplified trim strategy and competitive pricing. In a bold move, Mazda is slashing CX-5 trim levels from 8 to just 3 core configurations for 2026, following industry trends towards simplified ordering processes. The new structure, base hybrid, turbo premium, and PHEV Luxe, eliminates confusing package combinations while preserving key choice points. The base hybrid, which is $28,500, comes surprisingly well equipped with 18-inch alloys, LED lighting, and the 10.2 5-inch infotainment screen, undercutting the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid LE by nearly $1,200. Step up to the Turbo Premium, which is $36,300, for Mazda's first-ever heated or ventilated Nappa leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital cluster, and the kinematic posture control system borrowed from the MX-5 Miata, which applies subtle brake vectoring during hard cornering. At the top, the PHEV Luxe, which is $42,900, bundles everything from 21-inch wheels to a head-up display with AR navigation, positioning it as a legitimate Lexus NX 450h plus alternative at $12,000 less. Mazda confirms all trims will offer a la carte options, like a tow prep package, 2,000 pounds capacity, and off-road mode with hill descent control, features previously reserved for the CX-50. This streamlined approach mirrors luxury brand strategies and addresses a key customer complaint. Over 68% of compact SUV buyers report feeling overwhelmed by excessive trim choices, according to JD Power Studies. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 isn't just an incremental update, it's a complete reinvention. With its in-house hybrid system, luxury-grade interior, and engaging driving dynamics, it challenges the segment's best while staying true to Mazda's ethos. If pricing stays competitive, it could lure buyers away from Toyota and Honda in droves. Expected launch, late 2025, hybrid in early 2026. What do you think? Will the CX-5's hybrid tech win you over? Or does the turbo model still steal your heart? Let us know in the comments.